Day number 11 here in Tokyo. And we're on our way to Akihabara. Gonna hit up Yodobashi. Gonna go pet some owls. Of course, eat some vegan food. And check out Akihabara. We haven't been there in many years, so should be interesting. It is about 95 degrees today, so it's a hot one. So we're gonna stay extra hydrated, and we're gonna hit it up. And yeah, so let's go check out Akihabara.
I'm clearing it out. 19 and 29. Okay, card. I just cleared out a Kuchi. Basically, when you buy the last ticket, you get the main prize, and I cannot believe it. I got the big pillow, which is going to be annoying to bring back to America, but it's going on my bed at home. I'm very excited. And I got a jewelry box, a fan holder, and then a little journal book, which is so cute.
15 bucks.
Look how cute. And it's for cards.
Enter your smart card when you retrieve your baggage. The next stop is Kudanshita, C6. Please change.
Okay, great. Thank you. Wow. Wow, look at that bird. I don't know how you spoke. Look at me. Ow, he's ripping my hair. He's grooming you, yes. He's grooming you. He must be a dirty man. He loves you. He's like biting me. He's grooming you. You're my good bird. You're my good bird. Oh, your bird's so cute, Tokyo. What's his name? Pineapple. Okay, keep him straight. He's cleaning you. He must really like you. He's cleaning you. Don't put your face too close. Look how they clean each other. He doesn't like the camera. You're stressing him out. No, don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's hot. I love the nature. Hi, baby. Joe, come on. It's okay. Keep him straight. Straight. Arms straight. There we go. Don't freak out your poops. You have to stay very calm. This guy's so happy. Let's get it. Just like he's oh my god, he's so pretty. He's puffy. Arms straight. That one's a baby. His name Puffy. He's puffy. Yes. His fur is very. Oh my god, parents. I'm in heaven. Hold your fist. He's bobbing up and down. Oh my god. This is how I pass the vibe check. Look at him, he's going like. Did you see it? Look at him, he's dancing. This is what I like. You have to drink the miso with your sipping it. Mama does it proper. Alright, so we want to go on the 7th floor. That's where we already scouted it. Where? We wrote that it's on the different areas.
Here's video games.
Whole area goes all the way down. This would be my setup right here.
Yep, so
The
cute.
Chromie. I'm a gamer now. I'm gamer.
The Minecraft thing?
Not really a Minecraft, but like both of my monitors are like two different things, so it kind of looks weird. Playing Bed Wars with Yodobashi. We will win, trust me. It's a 1v1. I'm going against a level 55 elder. I am very cool.
Is that under your own name?
No, this is just a random account that was already signed in. I haven't played Bed Wars in so long. Let's see if I win.
Abba wants to take you to the batting cage. Play baseball.
Oh my god.
There's the golfing. Bend your knees a little.
Hit it. Perfect. You don't want him to get through the white mat. Your job is to stop it. I'm a huge fan of this one right here.
Ah, this is even better. This one. No, this one, come here.
Wow, it's such good quality.
Real good quality. It's delayed though.
Here we are in Yodobashi.
This camera is so delayed. That.
You look like a movie star.
Quite delayed.
Look at my beard. Pretty bearded.
Look at my skin.
Oh, I believe that's the main. It's not ready yet.
Look over there.
Okay. Go over there. Over here. There's a lot of things to see. Look at this. Look on that side. Look how many cars.
没有那种又便宜又便宜，
Hey.
没有那种。
Hey. Look at your old video. Yeah? Yeah, relax time. I love it. So absurd.
You cost me $20.
Let go of it. Want the edge.
Oh, come on. Maybe you can push it?
Yep, that's what I'm trying to say. Get the edge.
Get it. You got this. Oh, okay, perfect.
Oh, you flipped it. You flipped it. Okay.
Now be careful.
Come on. Come on now.
Like that it's off kilter.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
He said to do that. Let's see. Watch him messes it up. What? No. Do you want the gachapon from the top or the bottom? It's all covered. You can't see.
I feel the bottom. I feel the bottom.
Bottom? Here's 4. Okay, turn it. I hope you win.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Is there a letter? You got a letter?
C.
Wow, you won C from the sea level. Go turn it in.
Where's the C?
Don't open it. Yeah, you got one piece figure is for Ava maybe. What's the blue one? Turn it. What is that? It's mystery. Got a one-piece keychain. TripAdvisor's #1 place to eat.
Keys.